Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name's Oliver.
And my name's Elroy.
And in today's how-to video, we're going to be looking at crypto.com app, and we're going to be exclusively looking at how you can favorite your favorite coins and also looking into the alert feature because that's really cool. But first, what we're going to do?
First, we're going to check out who's winning in our competition. So if you remember, myself and Oliver, we put in about £100 into a portfolio on CoinMarketCap just to see what would happen, to see, who could kind of pick some coins and make a bit more money. So it's roughly been about a week now.
Yeah, this is a week update of our portfolio.
Just checking and seeing where we're at. Obviously, I'm very excited because I'm pretty sure I'm ahead. So yeah,
let's do it.
I think when we left, how much was it at? I think I was about...
It was over £100, but we're like 40p up. You were like 49p up, I was about 46p. So you do the honours, go on, man.
Let's go. Right, so I'm gonna go here, go into the portfolio. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it.
So then, how do we?
Right, so.
So if you click on, I'm in the lead. I thought so. So I'm on £89.90.
Damn,
it's just gone down. Oh yeah, £89.76 is moving, but Elroy is at £85. So that's
So we've both lost money.
We've both lost money, yeah. We both, how to make £100 go down to 85 in a week.
This is why this is not financial advice, okay?
Yeah.
We're just trying this out and seeing what would happen. So what? I'm down to, mine's gone down again, isn't it?
85.
Okay, I'm at £85 and 3 pence, and Oliver's at £89 and 90 pence.
While you're on yours, let me just see a minute. I want to see because you can go down. So your sheep has like lost £2 there.
£2, yeah.
And you're down on,
oh my gosh,
Cardano.
Look,
mate, that one Pumptopia. It did the opposite. That was what it is. So last week, Pumptopia was your like random.
That was my
pick.
random pick.
But why'd you pick it again?
Because it said pump in it, like,
and it was trending.
It said Pumptopia, and it was trending, and I was like, it's gonna pump, and obviously
80% down.
It should be called Plummetopia.
80%
that's
down.
awful.
So you have literally £2.10 left of the holding of that because it's lost £8.
Wow. So if I just hadn't chosen that one coin, I would have been up.
You would have, yeah,
essentially.
Yeah. But you chose other. Look, some of these are like okay pits, but basically everything's down apart from Bitcoin, which is 0.9% up. Let's go into mine.
So you're having too much fun looking at my portfolio.
I'm having a look at yours. Let me see.
Look at everything's down. You picked some rubbish.
Look at mine. Thing is, Polygonmatic 13% down.
26.
Avalanche 10%. Axie Infinity is
yours is not that bad.
That's plummeting though.
You haven't got any 79. You ain't got any over 30%.
Nah.
Okay.
See, Terra Luna's still okay. It's only 1.5% down.
But we're quite close still.
That's cool. And what we'll do is we'll try and do an update on this portfolio at the start of every video just to see what's going on. It's good kind of to see for you guys where we initially invested and how it's doing. But I think right now we're going to move on to crypto.com app. Now we are actually waiting for some money to go into our Crypto Bible account. We've put £100 across to physically, me and Elroy are going to do some more coin picks to see how we can grow that £100 investment. But it takes, you reckon you did it last week, 45 minutes?
Yeah, so we did it with someone who's very new to cryptocurrency. We were just showing them how to load up a wallet, like set up an exchange and stuff like that. And it literally took 45 minutes from when the bank transfer was actually done for it to actually get into that fiat wallet on crypto.com. So
time is money. If you see a coin going, oh, this is tanking, I need to get in here quick. You're like 45 minutes later, I've missed my slot. Yeah. So you will notice on the we keep moving this down every now and again to reload to see if our balance has gone to £100.
But one thing I would say about crypto.com I've realised is I think that very first transaction in can take a while, but I've found like others might not take so long. So it's like later on after they've kind of got a history of money coming in, it might not take that long. So
we're going to show you first on the crypto.com app. One thing I really like is, so at the bottom we've got home, accounts, track and cards. So if we go over to track, because at the moment we've got no coins in our watch list. And one of the first things you do when you first get into crypto is you have coins in your head. What was the first coin that you thought of?
First coin I thought of, at that time, it would have been Ethereum.
So Ethereum. So you want to be knowing what Ethereum's doing. So you can go to the top and go, right, okay, Ethereum. And to be fair, not financial advice, but Ethereum is good to look at, I think, in my opinion at the moment. So I'm going to go, it's actually in the favorites at the moment. So if I go ahead and remove that, then I'm going to show you how you can add it quite quickly. All you need to do is swipe to the left and it says add to favorites. If you swipe all the way across, it adds to your favorite. Now,
so that's literally just one swipe.
One
Don't
swipe.
have to press anything after swiping or anything new.
Exactly. And then what we can do is, if we say Bitcoin, that might be on there as well. Sometimes,
yes, that'll be in favorites already.
So if you want to remove it, you can do that, but it's already in there. And
so where the favorites come up at the first screen that you see
on the homepage.
So you go into home, and then you already see a bunch of things there. So you've already got favorites just there. Yeah. So already it's got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Crow. And then it's got a little see all button as well. So there's
click that.
Obviously, yeah, that's it. That's all the favorites. So anything else you would have chosen would have been like another coin that's not on the favorites.
Yeah.
You can press the little bell icon in the top right.
So this is one thing I actually quite like compared to other exchanges. I've used a lot of exchanges and I love how the crypto.com app alerts work. So there's no alerts at the moment. I'm just going to go back again. I'm going to show you it's the bell icon at the top right, like Elroy said. Then we're going to click plus and then choose a cryptocurrency. So for example, we're going to click Kronos just because it's the top one. You can set yourself a target price alert. So if you've been watching a coin for a while and you think, I know how long when this goes down to a certain price, and I've seen it spike a few times in the history, I want to buy in on that. So, or you can do percentage movement alert. I don't use percentage movement. So that means basically you can say, if it drops by 20%, notify me. But we're going to click the target price alert. Now at the moment, Kronos is 24p. All right. So I'm going to set an alert 20p. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and say one time, but I don't want one time because that will just notify me once. I might miss that. So I want repeatedly, let me know every time it drops below 20p, set the alert, and then it's that simple, it's done. You can turn it on or off. And you literally can create loads of different alerts and they're good for your buy-ins, or even if you're just not ready to invest, but you're sort of trying to gauge a bit of an understanding of, I'm going to see if I'm going to set this alert and Bitcoin drops below this. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe you don't invest, but at least you can get something telling you rather than looking at charts all day.
Yeah. But even at like buy-ins or if you want to sell, like it could be, you set the opposite way. So if it reaches this price, I want to know because I might want to sell a portion of it or all of it. Definitely. So it's actually quite a brilliant thing to look at the way you can set those alerts up.
I'm just checking a little thing here to see if it's going to come in. No, we are waiting for our £100 drop to pick our new our coins and try and grow that together as a team. But I think that's it. We've covered we're trying with our content. We want it to be really simple, step by step. And so we've showed you the alerts and what you can do with the alerts and why you would use them, and also how to favorite. So we've told you two little golden bits of nuggets there on the crypto.com app. I would say if you want to know anything specifically, write them in the comments and we'll go through it. We are going to be covering crypto.com on all of its features, and we're going to try and do it in sizable chunks for each video so you can get your information and then get out. So I think for today's video, that's the alerts. Yep, that's the favorites.
So alerts, favorites, and yeah, like check that out yourself. If you get the app, it doesn't actually cost you anything to do that. It's just a nice tool to be able to see things and get a bit more information before you dive straight in and just purchase coins.
Definitely. And so I think we're a shameless plug. Go ahead, subscribe to Crypto Bible. Give us an early like.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah.
Comment down below. That's always a good one, so we know what new crypto lovers and beginners want to see. Because we are literally, we'll be the idiots. We'll throw ourselves into projects that you want to know about, and we'll put real money in and invest to see, so you guys don't have to, and then you can follow with us on our journey. So I think we're waffling enough. Hit sub, hit notification bell icon, and I will see you on the next one.